Borealis Wall as an accent, inspired by the use of Borealis as a structural raised patio and a fire, water, planting, and cooking feature. But Borealis as a pavement? Well, the scale's 2.6 square feet. The texture is wood, that's ADA compliant. Our color is hazelnut brandy. And the feel brings the boardwalk home. We just want to make sure that we maintain a 16 to 3/16 joint spacing throughout. Paving stones have a spacer bar built into them. Concrete paving slabs often do not. We need to make sure that we get the joining material all the way through. So we lay to a bond line, ensuring a 16 to 3/16 joint spacing by laying hand loose. Let's get these in. Start with a half unit. Next one, centered. Now the big one. Give them a second to get that spacing. And ready? Okay. Take it down. Okay. Thank you. Our joining material will be easy joint by Aspects. It's available in 5 colors. It's a wet applied, even in the rain, joining compound. You can't over wet it. The water creates a vacuum that fills the joint. The steps are simple. We start by pre-soaking the pavement. Then we'll put down our easy joint compound with a broom or a squeegee and finish the joint with a pointing tool. Natural look, natural joining, naturally.